English tip by tip. Urban anatomy. A guide to public ways.
Highway system.
A network of major public roads that links major population centers, economic hubs, and intermodal facilities, like airports and ports.
Highway.
A main public road, often connecting towns and cities, designed for faster, longer distance travel.
Road.
A surfaced pathway connecting two or more places, often paved with materials like asphalt or concrete, serving as a link for transportation between communities.
Path.
A narrow way or trail made for walking or travel, often formed by people or animals repeatedly treading the ground.
Avenue.
A wide street or main thoroughfare.
Seaside avenue.
Situated along or leading directly to a seaside.
Street.
A public thoroughfare in a city, town, or village, typically characterized by having buildings on one or both sides.
Passageway.
A narrow path, channel, or corridor that connects two locations, allowing people or things to pass through.
Alleyway.
A narrow lane, path, or passageway that typically runs between, behind, or within buildings in towns and cities.
Exercise. Complete. A narrow lane or passageway, often reserved for pedestrians, is an alleyway. Streets are generally found in urban areas, having buildings on both sides. Roads can be found in both urban and rural areas. A highway system is a network of interconnected roads. A street or road located near the sea is a seaside avenue.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.